All right, good evening. Welcome back to PreciseAlgorithmTrading.com. It is Thursday, October 12th, and let's dive in here with the automatic trading systems. This is the Dow, and we got a nice little pullback there today. And today's the 12th, so half and half as far as wins and losses, but you can see the wins are greater than the losses. And we seem to have a new streak back to the upside. I don't want to call it yet, but um, we need to get to these back up here past these old all-time highs on our equity curve. So that's the Dow. The Russell it pulled back a little bit today. Didn't trade yesterday. There's the 10, 12. There's the trades for today. Nothing to write home about. And then the Nasdaq got a nice little bounce there as well. And this is literally just all the trades from today. I'm going to see if I can't reduce the amount of trading this thing does and just be able to pick up the wins. But I mean, that's the goal, is to try to find the sweet spot. And yeah, I'm constantly working on that. But in the all-in today was nicely up, so that negated that. The rest of these negated that, and then that's bigger than that. So yeah, that's how that worked. And what's the regular market doing? So the S&P dropped 0.62%, but a lot of things are pointing to the upside here. This happened to drop right before this 50% level that I was talking about. I'm actually watching for it to drop to that 50% level. So I don't know if that's exactly the right 50% level. It's all based on these pullbacks uh, and these swings in the market. So it doesn't look like it quite made it. Uh, let's check out the E-minis and see if they did. If it'll cooperate. I'm having a little bit of computer lagging today. All right, there we go. And a performance problem. So yeah, the futures did it. The actual SPX did not. So the Dow down 173 points, but again, it looks like it's poised to potentially rally here. And we might fall a little bit more first, but the Russell, that thing's down. Let's see what IWM says. Down 2.26% today. So pretty rough. The question is going to be, how do we rally from this with the Russell lagging? So the Nasdaq is obviously still holding up the best, and the transports down by 1.07%. So, and what did oil do? Looks like oil was down a third of a percent. Looks like something like this. The overnight looks like it's up a little bit. There's a lot of back and forth in the oil market right now. So there you have that. Let's go over to stockcharts.com, and we're going to look at a bullish case. The reason I'm thinking things are going to reverse is because the Dow already has and tacked on 2 extra X's today. The NYA It's just hovering around. It has not flipped to O's or to X's yet. The transports didn't move today, but it's on a column of X's. The Nasdaq minus 1.5 or 1.5% today, and still on a column of O's. Uh, the SPX flipped to a column of X's yesterday, and it tacked on one today. The OEX flipped over and added one today. And then the NDX is in a column of X's and up 4% today. So there's a pretty bullish case as far as the internals go. If you use the bullish percent indexes as the internals, which I do, and that's not to say they can't roll over, because they can. I've seen it before. You know, quick pop up and a quick pop back. But normally, it is something that you can get behind. You know, not for every position. Your positions have to be in line with it. So that's what I got for tonight. Take care, guys. Good trading, and have a great night.